Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have yet another set of speakers from Edifier. These are the Edifier MR5 speakers. We have them on white. They have some really cool features. Supports LDAC, high resolution audio and high resolution wireless audio. And if we have a look on the side of the box right here, we have some features. So flat response from 46 Hz to 40,000 Hz, 110 watt RMS, three-way active crossover, high resolution audio, XLR and TRS inputs, RCA and aux inputs, headphone output, Bluetooth 6.0, which is one of the latest Bluetooth technologies, and acoustic tuning. On the other side of the box, we have some diagrams with how the speaker looks on the back and what it can do. So you can adjust the high and low frequencies, the inputs, outputs, XLR input, absolutely amazing. They have basically all the bells and whistles. So for now, let's go ahead and open the box. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, and after that we're gonna go ahead and put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get, and as always, let's start with the small stuff first. So we have a quick start guide here with pictures. We also have a QR code here for the Edifier Connects app. So scan this, it will send you straight to the app. If you're on Apple or Android device, it works for both. So I suggest you give this a read. It will tell you everything you need to know about the speakers, how to set them up, and how to use them at their full potential. We have a statement of compliance and safety instructions. And now in terms of accessories, we have the aux cable, we have the cable that will connect left to right. So basically, let me see if I can turn it around. Basically we'll connect right here. Obviously the right speaker, which is this one, will have more input and outputs at the back, but this is the cable that connects both speakers. We have the RCA input. Basically you plug left and right, and this one you plug it to your PC or any device with an output, and that's how you can use the speakers in wired mode. And we have the power supply cable, which plugs straight into the right speaker, providing power with the cable that connects both of them to the other speaker as well. So only one speaker needs to be plugged in, which is pretty great. And in terms of the looks of the speaker, as you can see, we have this copper accents, which I think looks really cool. In the front we have a volume knob, power on and off, headset output and aux output. And if we have a look on the back, they're quite heavy, so they're a bit tricky to turn around. This is the right speaker, the main one. We have a lot of inputs and output. So RCA input, TRS input, XLR input. We have the knobs right here, which you can adjust the high and low frequencies. We have the other speaker out, which is the cable that connects both of them. And we have the power supply cable, which will provide power. These are powered speakers. They're not with battery, but it's definitely worth it. They look absolutely amazing. If we have a look again on the front, I really like the color combination. I like the white looks. I think it will really match my setup, considering everything I have it's white except the monitors. And yeah, pretty much that's it. That's what you get inside the box. So for now, let's go ahead and set everything up, and I will show you guys how to connect it and maybe play some music. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so I have set the speakers up. It literally took me 20 seconds. It's super simple to set up, especially if you're using Bluetooth like I am. So all you have to do is connect the power cable right here, and then connect the two speakers together, and that's it. It will just work straight away. press the power button, means push this button one time, the light will turn green. If you want to pair it with a Bluetooth device, for example your phone like I did, on the back right here we have a Bluetooth button, which is this one right here. Hold it for 2 seconds, you will go into pairing mode, then go into your phone or your laptop or your PC or really any Bluetooth device and look for Edifier MR5, click pair, and that's it. You're ready to go. You don't have to do it ever again. Next time the speakers are on, just turn on your Bluetooth on the device you just pair them with, and it will work straight away. So I have set them to the maximum level. Let's go ahead and play my YouTube intro. So I'm just gonna click play. So yeah, that is pretty loud and the quality is so clear, especially that you can do fine adjustments with the low and high frequencies. It's absolutely amazing. It looks really good. I really love the speakers. I love the design. I love the way they feel and they sound. They feel a really good quality as well. They use premium materials. So if you guys are interested in the Edifier MR5 speakers, I will have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.